Here's a English Assamese song expressing love for Bohag, the biggest festival of Assam. It blends Assamese culture with a rhythmic flow.
Bihu aise maje maje nasibo tan talor talot kuror majot gabo gamusa potibo shador chajibo atwo mor mahima jago jana